guys, they're moving. Let's go. We finally caught them, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on, trains. Woohoo! This is what a beautiful day, isn't it, Mimi? But it doesn't look so pretty out, really, because it looks like it could rain, possibly. I already hear them somehow, I think, unless if it's just that engine, you know. But I thought I already heard them. There's 431 and I don't know the other engine, but yeah. Now they're going back again. Oh my gosh. Well,
Park over here or over here?
right there. Yeah, because last time it was loud when they honked. So, I know, but I'm saying over there it was louder because Poppy parked kind of closer. Like, kind of. Oh, look, the garage is open. But they probably moved to somewhere else, you know? Or else a lot of ambulances would be in there like usual. Maybe I'm gonna go check. That looks like a rusty train, the 431, doesn't it? Alright guys, I'm going to take some pictures. There will be a part 2.